Welcome to MyRx Enroll for Re-Enrollment. In this video tutorial, we will cover the following: Express Re-Enrollment and Full Re-Enrollment. After your initial enrollment, you'll perform an Express Re-Enrollment in 12 months and then a Full Re-Enrollment 12 months after that, and continue that cycle going forward while you receive prescription assistance. Please note, this video contains audio. Please make sure to adjust the volume of your computer speakers. Click the CC button in the bar at the bottom of the window to access closed captioning. Okay, let's get started. Both Express and Full Re-Enrollment begin on the MyRx Enroll main page. Since you have registered with MyRx Enroll before, you can log in with your email address and password. Make sure to click Allow for any pop-ups from the site. This is the dashboard screen, and the first screen you will see whether you are completing an Express or Full Re-Enrollment. To proceed to the application, click here. Let's begin by looking at the steps you will complete for an Express Re-Enrollment. In the first step, you will select either yes or no to answer the 4 questions as attestation of your current residency status, client household income, family members in your household, and insurance status. Click Complete Registration if you would like to save your application to submit later. The final step is where you will authorize disclosure of your information. Please read and digitally sign or attest. Click Submit to complete your Express Re-Enrollment. Now, let's take a look at the steps for completing a full re-enrollment starting from the dashboard. To proceed to the application, click here. You can see that there are 6 steps to complete the full re-enrollment. You will begin with Step 1, Applicant Information. Review all of the fields to ensure the information is still valid. Make sure to scroll down to the bottom of the page. Notice that you have the option to save your application as a draft. This allows you to save what you have entered and return at any time to continue enrollment. Click Next to go to the next step in the application. The second step is Other Health Coverage. Review to ensure your selection is still valid. Then click Next. The third step is Household Information. You can add another family member by clicking the Add Another Family Member button. Ensure you have selected income for each member of the family that has income. Upload proof of income for all income earned by you and/or family members you have added. Click Next to continue. The HIV confirmation step is not required for re-enrollment. Click Next to continue. The authorization step displays the disclosure. Read through this document as it authorizes the program to discuss information regarding your eligibility or benefits. The scroll bar is used to continue down the page. Once you've finished reading it, you'll need to click the checkbox next to the statement, "I have read" or "Someone has read and explained the authorization to me." If the person applying is a minor and you are filling out the application on their behalf, click the checkbox next to "I am the legal guardian." Once you've accepted the authorization, click the Next button. Step 6 is where you have the option to review each part of the enrollment before submitting it. To expand a section, click the downward-facing arrow next to that section. Once you have finished reviewing, click Submit. A certification statement and applicant's signature statement appears. Make sure you read the statement carefully before clicking I agree to complete submitting your re-enrollment. Once you've successfully submitted your re-enrollment, you will see this confirmation screen. This concludes the tutorial on submitting an Express and Full Re-Enrollment using MyRx Enroll. Remember, after your initial enrollment, you'll perform an Express Re-Enrollment in 12 months, and then a Full Re-Enrollment 12 months after that, and continue that cycle going forward while you receive prescription assistance. Thank you for watching this tutorial.